And this couple comes in and they sit on my couch and they like the couch. And then they make me an offer. They offer me $200. And instead of saying, okay, you got yourself a deal, or instead of saying, absolutely not, what I did was I picked up a pad of paper. I had this planned. I said, I'm going to try this. I picked up a pad of paper and a pen. And for about 5 minutes, all I did, I didn't say a word to them. All I did for 5 minutes was scribble on a piece of paper. Okay, $200. All right, carry the zero. And it felt really awkward. It felt really uncomfortable. I'm like, I'm going to stick to my guns here, and I'm going to do this. I'm just going to write on a piece of paper, and they're looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, what the hell is this guy doing? Is he doing calculus? What the hell is he doing? Calculus. And I'm just scribbling, and after about 5 minutes of scribbling on a piece of paper, I put down my paper and my pen, and I said, I'm so sorry, but I can't do $200. What do you think they said? I said, all that nonsense, and then saying no to them. Well, they apologized. We're so sorry. We're so sorry. Yeah, and they offered me $400. Okay, this is what I just did is called the considered response. What did that do? When I said no, what did all that nonsense with the scribbling and the writing do to my no? It validated my authority in the conversation. It also validated my no. My no is a real no. It wasn't a bluff no. It wasn't a bullshit no. I mean, the guy did geometry and calculus for 5 minutes. It must be a real no, okay? The point of this, I'm not asking you to go out there and do these nonsense things, but what I'm asking you to do is, whenever your buyer makes some sort of concession, take a little time to think about it. You don't need to say yes or no too quickly. Don't be so quick to respond, to let your buyer know that you're in agreement or you're not in agreement. Take a little time to think about it. It adds more validity to your answer. It could be as quick, it could be taking some notes before you answer. It could be typing on a calculator before your answer. Japanese negotiators will suck air through their teeth. They'll suck air through their teeth before answering you. That's their version. Is that true? Yes, there we go. Perfect.